Hello guys and welcome back to another of my courses. So before we even start, I'd like to thank you all for joining my course and for choosing this course to learn Adobe Photoshop. So for those who already followed my past one of my past few courses, you guys should probably know how it works. So basically I like to teach by practice. So you will see in this course you will have a lot of opportunities to practice everything that you will learn. So in this class today, we are simply going to have an introduction to the course. So basically you will see some of the things that you are going to learn. So there is not a lot of theory. I think we have this class and another class where we will talk about Photoshop as well. And for the rest of the course, it's gonna be complete practice. So basically what exactly is the goal of this course? So the first and the basic goal of this course is teach you all the basics of Photoshop. So when I'm talking about the basics of Photoshop, I'm talking about absolutely everything that you can learn about Photoshop. So we're talking about all the shortcuts, we're talking about picture modification, we're talking about all the tips and tricks that you can use to modify pictures, because this program is really specialized in modifying pictures. So basically you will learn everything that you need to know about this program. So basically you will learn and you will practice everything you need to know, and then it's gonna be up to you to practice everything to become better in this field. So if we can look at the examples above, so basically those two pictures are made with Photoshop, and as you can see, you need to be really skilled in this program to be able to create pictures that looks like this, because once again, especially this one right here, because once again you need to create the picture in the background. You need to add a lot of lightning. Well, you need to play with the lightning, you need to play on the details. So there is a lot of, you need to have a good skill set to be able to create projects like this picture, for example. So also this course will help you use Photoshop to create different types of projects. So when we're talking about projects that can be made with Photoshop, we're talking especially about designing projects. So let's say, for example, you guys want to create something. So you want to create, for example, a poster or a, I don't know, you want to modify a certain picture for, I don't know, your social media. So for Instagram, Facebook, or whatever. You want to learn Photoshop for interior designing, to design clothes or any other thing. So basically you will learn how to use Photoshop, and then you will be able to use those skills in different areas or different projects that you can do with Photoshop. And finally, the last thing will be learning new skill set. So basically this course is made for someone who has no prior knowledge of Photoshop, and who wants to learn about this software. So once again, you'll see that's an amazing skill set to have, especially in the world where we're living today. Because once again, being able to modify pictures, having good knowledge in design can be really helpful, especially, for example, you want to launch your own business. You'll see if you need, for example, to do your own marketing, well, Photoshop can be really helpful, because you will be able to design your ads, you will be able to design your your business cards, you will be able to design your website. Once again, just the mock-up of the website. You will be able to design plenty of things, and all this using Photoshop. All right, so what you will be able to do by the end of this course. So the first thing that you will be able to do is basically modifying pictures. So since this software is really specialized in picture modification, the first thing that you will be able to do is modifying pictures. So you will learn different techniques that you can use, for example, to crop, to modify pictures, to, for example, crop something from one picture and put it on another picture. Or really just the basics of picture modification. So how to modify a picture the right way. So basically playing with the lightning. Let's say you want to crop something or cut something out from the picture. You will be able to do it. So there are plenty of things that you will learn to do, and you'll see it's pretty cool once you know how it works. So you will be able to create and work on different projects. So this is what I taught you a little bit before. So you will have plenty of projects that you can work with using Photoshop. And what you will be able to do by the end of this course is really being able to work with each of those projects, because you will have the whole knowledge. In other words, you will understand basically all, well, everything around Photoshop and how exactly Photoshop works. And from all the knowledge that you will have about the software, you will be able to work on different projects. And finally, you will be able to use different Photoshop techniques. So since the course is really based on practice, you will learn different techniques that I use myself to modify pictures, to create different designs, to, well, play with the lightning, well, to plenty of things. So basically, you'll see it's pretty interesting, and to create high quality projects, like for example, this one or this one right here, you need to practice a lot. So basically you'll need to get this knowledge, and you'll see it's really something that you need to practice, like anything in life. If you want to get good at, so for example in programming, if you want to learn to program in Python, for example, you need to practice a lot. It's not just by taking a course, but you will see this course is really based on practice, and I'm pretty sure you will love it. So that's it for this class, guys, and see you all in our next class.